Hello, my art viewers. Welcome back to my channel. You are seeing the Art of Inside Impressions, and this is Artist Bhavna. So today we are going to see the outline of what. So this will be really surprise tutorial for you guys. So do watch the complete video and yeah, guess what it is. So this video will be on outlines and yeah, everything is shown in the video. And before that, each box is of 2 by 2 centimeters. Okay, so it is 9 by 9 and each box is of 2 by 2. Okay, 9 boxes row and in column. So yeah, you can take according to your choice and according to your paper width and length, and you can really customize according to you. Here you can see, right, the outlines of hair and face outlines you can draw easily without appropriately you can draw. But when coming to eyes, eyebrows, lips, nose, so on, you need to get the exact details. That means exact length, exact size, right? So for that you need to measure each and every centimeter, that means inch, everything you need to measure and you need to draw exactly. Here you can draw with estimation, that will not affect much, but don't do that for the eyes, eyebrows and so on. Okay, so do enjoy the complete video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tap the bell icon. That is the most important element, right? So thanks for watching and happy learning.